Found out that you're bad for me. I found out that you had someone.
Hey family. Today I'm going to be doing something that I've done several times before. Recorded twice, didn't like either of the videos. This third time better be the charm, I promise you, or y'all will not see this video. But today I'm going to be doing some finger coils. I was scrolling on Instagram a couple weeks ago and I saw somebody. Wow. Well, I'm gonna try to find the person that I saw for inspiration, but I like a lot of stuff on Instagram, so I'm so sorry that I can't give you your credit. But I saw somebody do some finger coils using only one product, so I thought I would try that. So yeah, let's get started. Like I said, I'm only gonna be using one product. I'll just show you right now. Wait. You already know, using water for a fact, no brainer. The only product I will be using is this curl enhancing smoothie. Y'all know I got mixed feelings about this, but I'm gonna follow the tutorial because his came out nice. So I'ma just see if something shake from it. And I will probably be using this. I'm gonna just get this out the way too. Some edge booster, and that will really be it. I'm not gonna use this. I'm probably not gonna use this all over my head, but you know. So let's get started. This is kind of freshly washed hair. It's kind of freshly rinsed hair. I don't really know how else to explain it. I'm gonna start by making my middle part, which is kind of already right there. Let's see it. Straight from the nose. Shake it on back. That's a good part. I feel like that's a good part. Could be a little bit better. Alright, yeah, that's a good part. I'm not gonna part all the way back because I don't want the coils to have part down the back. So to fix that, I'm just gonna go at a diagonal down and behind my ear and separate this off. And do the same on this side. Alright, so I'm gonna get started in the back. Maybe I should do the back real quick and then come back and show y'all the front section. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I mean, I could turn to the side. Nah, I'm just go ahead and do the back section and then come back and show y'all how I do everything. Done with the back. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. It took about like 45 minutes. So not that long, but like long enough. Some of them are different sizes and everything. And I'm gonna show y'all something that I did with ones like this one. But yeah, let me just show y'all. Alright, so let me just show y'all how I do my finger coils. It's pretty much basically like everybody else, but I'll show you exactly how I do it real quick. So, you know, spray with water. Do use get the hair malleable so that when you start detangling, it's pretty easy. Alright, next I'm just going to take my curl enhancing smoothie. I'm going to take a lot of it because this is the only product that I'm putting in my hair. So I want to make sure that everything gets saturated as possible with it, so everything stays moisturized. Add some more. And depending on how it feels, you want to switch back between like product and water. I'm definitely about to add some more water to this because it just feels thick. It's getting harder to detangle. Some water to help that out. Finger detangle a little bit. Now I'm going to detangle with my detangling brush because y'all know smooth hair is the best hair to do a style on, starting from the ends all the way to the root. Alright, and I know it looks like a lot of product, but I swear it's going to dry, especially since this is the only product that's in here and that's going in here. For the back, I did do this. This is completely optional. I don't really think it even helped that much, but I did take a little bit of edge booster and well, I rubbed it in. I'm actually just gonna put it along the part for right now. And very front, just for now, I'm gonna separate my undercut from my length roughly. Alright, so boom. Basically, I make sure the product is everywhere, like we good with that. And then just take a little section. This one's not gonna be the best one because it's a small. This is a funky one. I'm not too particular with the parts. I twist tightly at the root. Keep twisting for a little bit. Start coiling, and then I go back and forth as I go down. So I twist and coil, twist and coil, all the way until I get to the root. All the way until I get to the end. And then sometimes I just go back if the roots start getting messy like this. So that one isn't gonna be the best example because it's a weird one. I'm gonna just some more hair. I'm trying to get the same amount. There was a lot of different sizes back there, but yeah, start at the root, start coiling, twisting, coiling, twisting, coiling. Alright, so I just wanted to slow this down and try to explain it explicitly because I didn't do like a close-up or anything. So basically, when I say twist, I'm using 2 hands and my fingers to actually twist it. And when I say coiling, I'm wrapping my hair around my fingers. So you can see me wrapping right now. Like, you probably do it all day with your hair. So you're just like wrapping it around your fingers. And then right here, I'm going to twist it. I usually slide my finger down after I coil to keep the tension. And then I twist and then just alternate back and forth, basically, to make sure that it's a consistent texture all the way through. All the way to the very bottom. That one is a bit better. You can see it. And yeah, that's basically it. I mean, I try not to part too big. Like, this is a good amount of hair, but the part is too wide. So I try not to part big like that. I try to make sure it's all in like the same area like this. And then, yeah, just do the same thing over and over. So you can see, like, in some sections of my hair, this happens. I'm pretty sure it's all for the same reason. Tension stress and stuff like that. No matter how hard I try to coil it, usually it just goes right back to looking fuzzy like that. So to fix that, I could keep trying because it does gradually get better. But I mean, I don't really got on there. So what I do is I take some on my edge booster. You can really just take any gel with like a really firm hold, and I put it in the area where the problem is, then a little above it too, so that when I twist it, when I coil it this time, it usually stays in place. Boom. Now let's wait and see what happens. Do the same for like these two. I don't do it for all of them that look like that, but for like the really bad ones, like this one, half of it isn't even like, come on, like, nah. So some of it actually could be me not coiling enough, but sometimes it's just like my hair is a little messed up in some places. So alright, so most of these look a lot better. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this part real quick, come back when I'm on this side. Alright, y'all, last section of hair. For the front section, I did this section like my undercut and then like in half. Because I mean, you're not going to see that part that much. But yeah. So let me finish this. And then I'm going to be done. I'm trying not to rush these. But I really just want to get this done. So I kind of am rushing them. I feel like I'm going to have to redo like all of these anyway. See what happened when I rush stuff? This looks a mess, bro. That's a good one. Dang, I like that. Last one, last one, last one, last one, ayy. Last one, last one, last one. This side is so much better. I ain't have to even fit any in the front like I had to do on this side. So I'm gonna let these dry a little bit before I show y'all everything and do my full little 360. So yeah, I'm gonna come back for that. And I may touch up some of these in the back real quick while I'm waiting. But yeah, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back for y'all. I look like a skater, I think. I don't know. These are a lot drier. They're not completely dry yet. Everything else pretty much is. That's one thing I do like about finger coils. They dry pretty quickly, especially when you only use one product. Also, I'm just gonna put some olive oil on my scalp. Do you count this as another product? It was a one product thing. I'm just gonna make sure my scalp stays good, you feel me? I'm gonna put this definitely right on the part and try to go all throughout my scalp. Let me show y'all the 360. Alright, so you can obviously see the front. Y'all been seeing it. Right side. Bro, my whole in the back. And then this side. I mean, so that's pretty much it. I think that this is honestly my best version of these finger coils. I'm pretty proud of it. I'm gonna be honest with you. So yeah, I took my time with it. I did small sections. It helps watching TV shows. That's what I was doing the whole time. Yeah, it's easy work once you get into a good groove. Only thing I don't like about finger coils is washing them out. I may be doing some styles with these since I like these a lot. We gonna see though. I'm gonna put that in your head. Don't wait for it. I know these things about to get off my face before I break out though. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check the first link in my description. That's all my social media, information about Black Lives Matter, Do the Right Thing, and black businesses that you should support. Like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And yeah, man, thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, night, morning, afternoon. I don't know. Just be great.